everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. Today we are going to be doing my January Petit Vour unboxing. If you haven't seen one of my Petit Vour unboxings before, I do a first impression of products and I also go back and do a review of the previous month's box now that I've had a chance to use the products for a month. But a couple notes before I get started. First of all, I am wearing my glasses. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'm having some sort of like eye infection thing going on with my right eye, and so I'm not wearing my contacts right now, and so I'm wearing my glasses and hopefully it will clear up soon. It is looking better. I have been wearing my glasses for like 5 days now and I definitely think it's getting better. I want to wait for it to heal completely before I go back to wearing my contacts. So you're gonna be seeing me with my glasses for a little bit. Which also means that I can't actually film using my ring light because I tried and you can see my ring light in my glasses, which just looked really weird. And so if my lighting is kind of weird, that is what is going on. Also, I'm still trying to fiddle around with my camera and figure out the settings on it too. So lots of things we're experimenting with. I realized that February marks 1 year of me receiving the Petit Vour box. So in February, what I'm going to do is I got inspired by my husband because he was realizing that it had been about a year since I started getting the Petit Vour box. And he was asking me like what were my favorite products that I'd gotten in the Petit Vour box, because there's one, which if you guys know me at all, it's a nail polish remover that I got in a Petit Vour box, which kind of was life-changing and one of my favorite products that I discovered in 2017 period. So given that inspiration, I'm going to be going through and talking about my favorite products that I have gotten in Petit Vour boxes, so be sure to stay tuned for that video. First off, for this box, there's also a really cute card that comes in them. On the card for this month's box, there's a girl wearing a jacket and it says "Be bold, be kind," which is Petit Vour's motto. I actually really like this. I like this little drawing, it's really cute. It kind of reminds me of me. So the first product I'm going to start off with is one that I'm actually really nervous about. This is the Voss Cinnamon Lip Plumper, and I'm really nervous about this because I'm afraid about how much it's going to hurt and if it's actually going to work or not. I was hemming and hawing about whether or not I was actually going to try this because it just does not sound like something I would like at all, but I was like, I'll do it for you guys. I'm sure you will want to know. So I'm going to put this on now and we're going to leave it on throughout the video. So at the end of the video, be sure to tell me whether or not you think my lips look more plump, because a lot of times you guys are a better judge of these things than I am myself. So let us know in the comment section down below what you think. It's a lip balm and plumper in one with the hydrating powers of coconut, almond, and olive oil and the plumping action of pure cinnamon. And the value of this is $18. I'm not a huge cinnamon lover. It's just not my favorite thing. Like, I love a good cinnamon roll, don't get me wrong, but like if I had to go with my favorite flavor or scent, it would not be cinnamon. Oh my gosh. It smells really, really cinnamony. So, here we go. Also, mine is pretty cold. I'm having to warm it up with my finger right now because it is cold here in New England and everything is cold and my products can get really cold and I have to warm them up before applying. I already feel it. It definitely does tingle. Like, even my finger when I was getting it out felt a little tingly. I would not use this before doing your eye makeup or putting in contacts or anything like that. Hopefully it gets better soon because it actually kind of hurts right now at the minute. I do have pretty chapped lips, which may be exacerbating the problem, but this is supposed to be lip balm too, so maybe I'll make my chapped lips better. Kind of feels like when you eat something really, really spicy and you get it on your lips and it burns. And I don't particularly love spicy food either. I have to say, I'm pretty sure it is plumping up my lips because my bottom lip definitely looks more plump and it feels kind of funny to talk, which also to me seems like an indication that something is happening with my lips. But it still does burn, so we're gonna keep an eye on this. Oh man. Look what I put myself through for you guys. Next up is another product that I'm actually really excited about. So this is the We Love Eyes Tea Tree Eyelid and Eyelash Foaming Cleanser. And this is supposed to work to remove your makeup around your eyes. And I was actually really excited and I felt like the timing was really great to get this in this box because Brienne from Wife Life, she really loves these products, and she had said that they really help with the dermatitis on her eyelid, and I don't have dermatitis on my eyelid, but I do have whatever weird eye issue infection thing that is going on with my eye right now. And I know that tea tree is antibacterial. I am supposed to be washing my eyes and making sure that I keep my eye area really clean, and so I really think that this will help with caring for my eyes. And in fact, even though I don't have any eye makeup on, and I didn't have any this morning when I was washing my face, I did go ahead and try this out on my eye. And I do have to say, it definitely smells of tea tree oil, and it's really foamy, which is kind of funny. It reminds me of like the Great Skincare Super Sensitive Face Foam, which is another foam, but it's like super foamy, but it's like foamy, but kind of like oily at the same time. It's really unique. I've never felt anything quite like it. It didn't tingle on my eyes and it didn't burn, which was a really great sign. So that was cool, and so I'll see if this actually helps improve my eye situation. Hopefully it does. I will have to test once I start wearing eye makeup again how this works on removing eye makeup, so I'm excited about this. And oh, the value of this is $20, and this does appear to be the full size. Next up, we have a sheet mask, and this is from Andalou Naturals, and I really have not tried anything from Andalou Naturals. I always think about it but never do. And this is their Instant Pure Pore Hydro Serum Facial Mask. And what's nice about Petit Vour, and one of the reasons why I keep my subscription for Petit Vour, is they have you fill out this survey online, and you talk about like what's your makeup style and what's your skin type and what's your hair type. They can customize products so that you're actually getting products that you would like and would use. And that's what's nice, it says on this card, is that every one of us got a different face mask depending on our skin type. And this one does sound perfect for me because it's supposed to be a clarifying face mask, which I have oily, acne-prone skin, but I'm actually super, super excited to try this out because my skin is freaking out. It was doing amazingly for a little while. Like I was like having almost zero breakouts. It was like super clear. And then it got towards the time of the month when my face starts breaking out. And then it freaked out and it started breaking out, and then my skin got dry and it's breaking out at the same time, which is just like the worst combination, because then you're like, well, what do I do now? It's dry and breaking out. And most products you use to treat breakouts are even more drying. So what I think will be cool about this is that it is a sheet mask, which is more hydrating, but it is also clarifying, which will hopefully help to clear out my pores and get my skin on a better foot. So if this works, I'm going to be super excited about this, and I probably will be picking up some more of these. So I have obviously not tried it out yet, but as soon as I will let you know. I'll definitely talk about it in next month's Petit Vour box video. And the value of this sheet mask is $5. And update on my lips, they're definitely feeling less tingly, which is much more comfortable, and now it just feels more like I have lip balm on, so that's good. I'm pretty sure it did plump my lips, so confirm or deny that in the comment section, but I'm pretty sure it actually did plump my lips. So the final product in this month's box is the Aromatherapy Associates Hydrating Revitalizing Face Oil, and it comes in this tiny little vial here. This is a sample size, and it's valued at $15.20, and the full size is $75. So we actually got 3 full-size products in this box, by the way. So the lip plumper, the foaming cleanser, and the face mask were all full-size products. I'm not entirely sure I'm going to use it. It has a ton of essential oils in it. I'm kind of reaching a point with my skincare where I'm trying to be a little bit more minimal. I really found a lot of products that I like, and so I'm not sure I'm going to be trying this out because I really don't want to irritate my face, and sometimes products loaded with a lot of essential oils can be irritating to your face, especially if you have sensitive skin, which I do. So I'm going to contemplate this, but I may not be trying this out, and I may pass it on to somebody else. That was this month's box. I'm excited about the face mask, and I'm very excited about the We Love Eyes cleanser. The lip plumper is interesting and different, but I'm not excited about the face oil, so it's not bad. It's one of the better boxes. The total value of this box is $58.20, which is kind of crazy considering I only paid $18 for this. So this is definitely one of the most high value boxes I have gotten, which makes sense because I did receive 3 full-size products. Okay, so now on to my review of last month's box. It does seem like Petit Vour has been on a kick with lip balms lately, and also face masks, but particularly lip balms. And so last month we got the True Moringa Lip Whip, and it's this really cool fuchsia color. Also, I don't think I pointed this out last time, but I really love the lid on this. I was curious about how it was gonna stay in my lip lines and whether it was gonna smudge all over the place. It does smudge all over the place, but I actually wish that this was not tinted because it is one of the most soothing lip balms I've ever put on. Like, it makes my lips feel amazing, but I don't actually like the tint of it. So I actually end up wearing it at night most of the times because it is really soothing on my lips. I don't know what it is, but this is like one of the most hydrating lip balms, but I end up wearing it at night. These tinted lip balm things are not really my favorite, and this one's not super pigmented either. So I actually just wish they would come out with like a untinted version, and then I would be like a happy camper. But like, I did find this very useful. Like last night I actually wore it when I went down to the gym because my lips, as you can see, are very pale and they don't really have a lot of color, so I like to have a little bit of lip color on. And so that was a good use for this product, was to put it on like before going to the gym. Also, it was quite expensive too for what it is. I believe it was like $18, something like that. I'm kind of getting a little frustrated with like overpriced lip balms. The next product I have is the Province Apothecary Full Brow Serum. And it came in this little dropper like this. It's an oil, and let me spin around here. So you can actually see I have made quite a dent in this. I have been using this on my brows every single night. Have I seen a difference? I have no idea. Like, I cannot tell if it's made a difference or not. My brows have been growing in more fully anyway before I even started using this product. Like, I just kind of noticed that my brows had been growing a lot, which is cool. I'm down with that. But I have no idea if this product has helped at all. So I figure I'll just keep using it. My only thing is that like the instructions annoy me, and it really does annoy me to have another step in my beauty routine at night because you have to put it on and then you're supposed to let it sink in for 5 to 10 minutes before you do your other face products, and I just have to like start getting ready earlier and like time the whole thing so I have enough time and I don't end up staying up even later. It does smell nice. This product here I actually have really been enjoying, and this is the Ursa Major Golden Hour Recovery Cream, and it's like a moisturizing balm, or it's a moisturizer because it's not too solid. It's more liquidy than a balm. But I have been liking this because, like I said, my face has been dry, it's been freaking out. So if I need some extra moisture, this is what I go for. Like, one of the things I've been really impressed about this product is that it just sinks into my skin. Especially someone that has oily skin, like I don't want a moisturizer that feels heavy or sits on my skin for a long time. Like, this just absorbs right in, but it makes my skin feel moisturized. So it's great, especially if you want to put on makeup. You can just put this on, it absorbs in, your skin looks more hydrated, it feels more hydrated, but your makeup will still go on because you don't have this moisturizer sitting on top of your skin. So if you are in need of a moisturizer, like, I really do recommend this. I've been really surprised by how much I like it, which is always a cool thing. And that's what's fun about subscription boxes, is you get to find out about products like that that I probably would have never looked at. So the last product I have is in this little baggie. I'm sorry it looks so terrible, but I still have product in here and I don't want it getting loose. And this is the Audacity Pure Elements Synergy Immediate Skin Perfecting Beauty Mask. And I have the Firming Probiotics Plus C one. So, first of all, I have gotten like a ton of uses out of this tiny little packet. Like, there's still a fair amount of product in here. Like, I can feel there's at least enough for 1, maybe 2 more masks, and I've done it like 3 or 4 times already. So it is a clay mask, and you mix it with water and then you apply it to your face. And it's nice, but I haven't seen any like incredible results from it. My skin does feel very soft and smooth after I use it, which is cool. I guess my conclusion overall is that even though I have oily, acne-prone skin, and I should be like the target skin type for clay mask, I don't actually like them that much. I find that pre-mixed wet masks, I guess you could say, just are a lot more efficacious, and I see more results with them, and they're less annoying because I have been informed that apparently the proper way to use a clay mask is you are supposed to keep misting your face while you are using it to keep the mask hydrated, which to me is just obnoxious. I'm just gonna put that out there. Like, when I have a mask on, I want to relax. I want to be sitting in a bath while I have my mask on, or I want to be like chilling watching beauty YouTube videos because that's what I love to do. And I don't want to have to be like, oh no, I can feel my mask getting dry, let me mist it. And then like a couple minutes later, oh no, it's dry again, let me mist it. And to me, that's just really annoying and it's not relaxing. And I think part of doing a mask for me is something really relaxing. I'm just not the biggest fan of clean face masks. That is my conclusion of all this. When I was editing my video, I realized that I had forgotten to talk about the Juice Beauty Phyto Pigments Ultra Natural Mascara that I got in the December Petit Vour box. I did try this out and it's not terrible, but I also don't really love it either. It doesn't flake, it doesn't smudge on me, but it's just not as impressive as other mascaras that I have tried. I much prefer the Root 100% Lash Mascara or the Well People Expressionist Mascara over this one. Though I do have to say this one is very interesting in how it removes. It doesn't smudge all over the place. It kind of comes off without getting all over your eyes. So if that's something you're interested in a mascara, one that's very easy to remove and not messy to remove, this one might be a good one for you. But otherwise, I just have other mascaras that I prefer to use. If you get the Petit Vour box, if you've been liking any of these products, let me know if you got the lip plumper and what you think about it, because I'm kind of curious. This is a really wacky product. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm sure you guys have heard a million people talking about YouTube and their demonetization, but if you like a small channel, mine included, and you want to do something to support us, subscribe and watch our videos, get our view times up, get our subscribe counts up, help us out. I'm so grateful for every single one of you who has taken the time to support me. Thank you. Really, truly, thank you. Be sure to check out my Instagram. I'll have my handle down below. I'm at naturallybeautifulgirl. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!